Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonal and in today's video I have did this traditional yellow monochromatic look which is very easy to achieve. Like this will just take you 5 minutes to do and you will love it for sure. So let's just get started with today's video. So first of all, to make my look naturally glowy, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Jelly Highlighter in the shade Peach. Now this is a jelly highlighter and I'll be applying it all over my face to just give a natural looking glow to my skin. After applying that, I'm using the Rimmel Cosmetics Insta CC Primer. Now this is a very nice illuminating primer, so I'm applying it all over my face. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 330 Toffee Caramel. I'll be applying it all over my face and blending it nicely now. For my concealer, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer in the shade Corn Lychee. I'm going to be applying it on the usual areas where we highlight using the concealer, and I'll be blending it all in. For my blush, I'm using a stick blush, and this one is from Sugar Cosmetics Forward Face Stick Blush, which is in the shade Coral Climax. This one is a really nice subtle looking blush, so I love this one. Moving towards powdering my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring powder and I'm going to be using the banana powder underneath my eyes. But before that, I'm just blending everything underneath my eyes in order to achieve a smooth base. Now I'm going to be powdering my face to just make sure that there is no creases. Also applying the same powder on top of my eyes as well to set the base. Applying a little bit to set my smile lines as well. Now taking the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to be using the yellow shade and I'll be first just packing the eyeshadow shade and later on we'll blend it. And now I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush and just blending all of it in. Now taking a really bright fluorescent pink shade, I'm applying it on my waterline. Making sure to blend everything nicely now. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner and I'm doing my usual wink liner. Liner is done, guys. Now it's time for some mascara and some false lashes. For my mascara, I'm using the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. I will be applying false lashes from the brand World of Rava in the variant Queen Bee. I have applied the lashes off camera and this is how it looks. Moving towards the lipstick, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not lipstick in the shade Tan Fan. First I'll apply this one and then we will underline using a darker lip shade. So for the darker shade, I'm using the Divine Wine shade from Maybelline Creamy Matte. And I'm using the darker shade to underline my lips. This will give an illusion of ombre lips and I love this combination together. Taking a white shimmery eyeshadow shade, I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes and also a little bit on my brow bone. And yeah guys, that is basically it for today's look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I love how this look has turned out to be. Comment down how did you like this video, and yeah, I'll be back with more such videos. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.